missed our train, and then we missed our bus. Yeah, mainly your fault. The good news is we got another one here. Should be fine.
Are you sure about that?
Right, so the first bus set off 5 minutes earlier, so we missed it. And now this one, we got the bus, there's no driver. Seems to be late, like 5 minutes already. Not much, but considering the other one was early. And then we went to reception and asked, they were like, oh, we don't work with that company. So there's pretty much no one to ask. Keep you updated. Да, децата аз им говоря на български, тя им говори на полски, пък вкъщи говорим на английски и то направо...
В училище говорят на...